Hello children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today's our amazing assignment is related to Indian system of numeration. So here in our number system we have two systems. One is Indian numeration system and one is international numeration system. So today's our topic is Indian system of numeration. So we will discuss today related to Indian system. Okay, so let us start our assignment. Question number 1. Before completing the question number, I just want to explain this place value chart first. So first let me explain the place value chart, then we'll go to the first, second, third questions. Okay children, so just look into this place value chart. So here in this place value chart, so here they have given Indian system. So this place values chart is related to Indian system. Okay, so in Indian place value system, what are the places? What we call those places, the names. Let us look into this place value chart. Okay, here they have given very clearly periods. So what is the meaning of a period? Okay, so the periods are, here they have given the periods like this is ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Okay, these we will call it as a periods. Okay, what? These are the called periods. Okay, so in ones period in Indian system, so we have the periods of ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Okay, in ones period, how many places were there? So here they have given three places, right? So one is in green, yellow and light blue, right? So this indicates the places. So extreme. So when we start our number system, we will start from the right side to left side. Okay, from our extreme right side, the first place is nothing but ones place. What is that? Ones place. So right here, ones. Okay, so this place is ones place. Okay, and the next place is nothing but tens place. What is this? Here they have given already 10. 10 place value means the place is tens. Okay, what is that? Tens. So the second place is tens place. Okay, and here what they have given? Hundreds. Already they have given the 100. And in hundreds place, what is the number? The value is nothing but, we can represent as, and we can represent 100. Okay, so we can club all these three places together. We will call it as a period ones. So in ones period, how many places children? Ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, so in ones period, I am repeating, in ones period, all these three periods, three places will club and together we will call it as a ones period. In ones period, so how many places children? Ones, tens and 100 places will be. And the next period is nothing but, so what is this? Thousands. Okay, so this period we will call it as thousands period. So before ones period, the period is called it as thousands period. In thousands period, how many places? Here in ones place, ones period, 3 places. But in, whereas coming to the thousands place, period, how many places children? Here you can see, you can check here, in thousands period, 1, 2, only 2 places. So this place is represents, what is the number they have given? 1000. So the hundreds place before place is nothing but thousands place. What is that? Thousands place. THOUSANDS. Thousands. So I am writing again children. Okay. Next. Thousands. 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 Okay. So the place, here is a number. This is 1000. And the next place is 10,000. What they have given? 10,000. So here is a number 10,000. You can observe here is, in this number there is a comma. Yes, it means one's period is completed. After completed of one's period, we need to place a commas. Okay, in which place? In thousands place. It means in thousand period we need to add one comma. Okay. Then in 10,000's place, after 10,000 we have to place one comma. Okay. The next period is nothing but lakhs. Okay. What is this? Lakhs period. In lakhs period, how many places, children? Lakhs and 10 lakhs. How many places? 2 places. So lakhs. What is the numeral of a lakh? Is lakh means thousands period completed, right children? We need to place one comma here. That is lakhs, please, after comma, then thousand, then ones period. Okay, so this is nothing but 1 lakh. Then the next 10 lakhs. What is this? 10 lakhs. So here is a numeration, that is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs period after 1 comma, then 1000 period. 1000 period also after 1 comma, then ones period. Okay. The next 10 lakhs period, the before is which period? It is crores period. Okay, what is this? Crores period. In crores period, how many places? How many places? So here in crores place, one is crores. Okay. The first place we will call it as crores. So the numeration of this crores is 1 after comma, then lakhs period, then thousands period, then ones period. So this is called 1 crore. Okay. The next period, the place is 10 crores. Okay. So it is 10 crore. We need to write 10 after comma. That means crores period completed. Then next lakhs period. Here is a lakhs period. Then thousands period. So again 2 zeros. In thousands period, how many places? 2 places. It means I need to add 2 zeros and comma. And in ones period, how many places? 3. So it means you just write 3 zeros. Okay, children. So this chart is related to the Indian number system. Okay. In Indian system, so we have the places, that is ones period, we have periods. Okay. We are changing this place, we are writing this place value chart as a periods. We are dividing like this, and the periods are ones period, then thousands period, and lakhs period, and crores periods. So in crores up to crores period, how many places? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. In crores period, that means 10 crores place is starts from 9 digits. That is 9 places it has. Okay. So in crores period, how many places? 2 places. In lakhs period is also 2 places. In thousands period, it is also have 2 places. And in ones period, it has 3 places. In Indian system, only in ones period, we have 3 places. Okay, children. So I hope you all understood this place value chart. Okay. So based on this place value chart, we'll complete these questions. Okay. The question number 1. In the Indian number system, the place value chart has, dash and dash and dash and dash periods. Okay. So you can check in this place value chart, and according to this you can fill these blanks. Okay. So we will start always from the right side of our periods. Okay. We will start from the right side to the left side. So the first period is nothing but what period? Yes, ones period. You just write here ones period. Okay. The next, before, which period? Ones period before, it's thousands period. What we'll call it as? Thousands period. THOUSANDS, thousands period. Okay. Then before the period is, what is this? You can check here. Lakhs. Yes. So write here LAKHS, lakhs. This is lakhs period. Okay. Then before is, yes, what is this? Crores. You can write it here, crores. CRORES, crores. So these are the periods. Okay, I am repeating this. In the Indian number system, the place value chart has, dash 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 and dash periods. It means, so how many periods we have in Indian system according to this? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many periods? 4 periods. So the first period starts from ones period, then thousands period, then lakhs, then crores. Okay children, the next question. The thousands. It is, what is this? Thousands. Okay. Thousands is dash lakhs. Okay. So what is the comparison here? We need to check thousands is nothing but how many lakhs. Okay. In this place value chart, you can check here. This is in thousands period. How many places? Thousands and 10,000. But here they asked thousands. Here only 10,000. Then before what should be? 100,000s. Am I correct? So 10,000s after 100,000s, then 1,000. So here is in 10,000. Then we can assume here 100,000 and you can assume here 1,000. So this place comes as thousands, right? So here 1,000, here 10,000, and you can assume here 100,000s, and here you can assume that 1,000. So thousands place starts from which place? So how many lakhs? Yes, 10 lakhs. How many lakhs? 10 lakhs. So here you can write how many lakhs? 10 lakhs. Thousands is equal to 10 lakhs. So is it clear children? Good. I hope you all are understood today's concept. Thank you all children. Have a good day.